So here is the Camtasia AI tutorial. Camtasia AI refers to the AI features integrated within the Camtasia video editing software, primarily focused on streamlining the video creation process through automated tasks like AI-powered script generation, voice narration, and a lot more. First of all, let's check out their pricing. On this section, you can see all the plans that they offer, starting with Essentials, Create, and Pro. So go through these options and select the one that you want. Then, on the top, you have options for Teams and Business, Education, and Government. Now, let's go back to the home page, and on the top right, click on Download Now. Then, on the next page, just click on Sign Up and Download. You can do that for both Windows and Mac. I will select Windows. On the next page, I will select Continue with Google, then click on Continue. After that, you will be logged in with your Google account. Give it some time and wait it out. Now, agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Continue. After that, you'll be taken to this page right here. It says, "Thanks for choosing Camtasia and your download has just started." So once it's finished, install the software. And as you can see, it's now being installed on my computer. The downloading and installation process will take some time, so you need to be patient and wait it out. And as it gets installed on your computer, you will get to see some of the features that are available on Camtasia right here on the installation page. You will get to know about some of the features that Camtasia offers, such as recording your screen. You can use Camtasia to record your screen easily. You will also get to know about all the steps that you need to follow in order to start recording your screen on Camtasia. Then, some other steps on how to edit the video. And as you can see, it's done. So click on Finish and then open up your Camtasia software. So once you're here on this section, select what type of video you want to create with Camtasia. Then select who are you evaluating Camtasia for. Then click Next. Now, sign in to your account. Here, you will use Continue with Google again. Then, click on Continue on this page. After that, you'll be logged into your Camtasia account. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. And as you can see, we're now being signed in. Here, click on Open on the top, and the Camtasia software will open up on your computer. And as you can see, we're now logged in. Click on Start Free Trial. So here, you will get to see all the features available on Camtasia. You will also find a quick start guide. And if you scroll down, you will get to see some additional options that they offer, such as featured assets, free assets, and premium assets. Then, on the left panel, you have Home, then Learn. Here on the Learn section, you will get to see some guidelines on how to use Camtasia. So go through the slides and learn more about what you can do using Camtasia AI. These are essentially the 5 steps by following which you can create your first Camtasia video. Now, on the tutorial and more section, you will get to see all of these options that you can utilize. Then we have Support. This is where you can see all the options for support. Then, What's New? On this section, you will get to see all the updates regarding Camtasia and all the new features that they offer. So scroll through if you're interested to know more. Now, let's go over to Home and check out the features. You can also select templates from here. As you can see, they have a lot of templates that you can choose from. You can also choose templates for phones, tablets, or laptops. For now, we will open a new project. So click on New Project and Camtasia will open up a new project. But if you want, you can select a template. Sometimes it may take a while to open up a new project, so be patient and give it some time. Video editing softwares like these usually takes up a lot of your computer resources, so sometimes they can be slow. And as you can see, we're now in the project section of Camtasia. On the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. And below is the section where you can see all the elements that you're working with. And once you start working, you'll be able to view your work right over here. And here on the left panel, you have favorites and then media. Under media, you have all of these options that you can choose from. So go through them and select whichever one that you want to work with. After that, we have annotations. So here, you can select any of these options to add annotations. Now, we have visual effects. Here, you can see a lot of visual effects that you can add to your video. So go through them and select whichever one that you want. Then we have transitions. After that, we have animations. It says to enable the zoom options, move the playhead over a video, call out, image, or group. So you need to move this playhead on the bottom. Then we have behaviors after animations. This is where you can see all the behaviors that you can add. Then we have cursor effects. You can change your cursor effect by selecting any of these. This way, you can make your video even more interesting. And now, we will check out audio effects. So as you can see, they have a couple of audio effects you can choose from. Then we have voice narration, and lastly, captions. Choose whichever caption type that you want. So now, let's go over to media. From here, you can select any media to get started. Also, you have the option to buy now on the bottom. That way, you can get your subscription. And if you want, you can also view the quick start guide again. For now, we will choose a media. Here, you have different sections and you can also click on See All to see more options. Right now, we will go with this one. So click on it and drag it to the right section. And as you can see, the media has been added. You can also drag it around to position it according to your preference. Now, let's add an annotation on top of this. So here, position it according to your preference. Then go over to Visual Effects and choose the one that you want. Just drag and drop it on the main screen. And if you have multiple clips, you can add transitions in between them on the bottom panel. After that, let's add a behavior to the annotation. For example, jump and fall or fly in. We will drag and drop fly in for this one. After that, it will be added to your desired element. Now, just play the video and you'll be able to view it in action. This way, you can add different behaviors to different elements. Now, let's go ahead and add a sound effect. Just drag and drop the sound effect on the bottom panel. That way, the sound effect will be added to your video. Just play your video to give it a listen, and you'll be able to hear your sound effect being played with the video. You can also add a voice narration to your video. If you have a voice or narration, just add captions to your video and you will be good to go. This way, you can create a full video using Camtasia AI.